1. Split the palm leaf by removing the stalk. 2. Form a loop towards you by bringing one side under and over. 3. Form an opposite loop with the other side of the leaf. 4. Take the end of top leaf and insert it to the loop of the other leaf. 5. Take one end and insert it through the top. 6. Take the other end and insert it also through the top part. 7. Proceed to weave one end of the leaf, twisting, and weaving until it reaches the top part. 8. Take the other end and weave, looping through the previous twist, until it reaches the top part. 9. Tighten the weaves until it turns into a pouch. 10. Fill halfway with rice through the opening at the top. Cook in boiling water. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.